it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can become a part of the family, and I would love to get to know you. So today I have an unboxing. It is the Spring Fabfitfun 2022. There were 7 items this time and a few repeats, and I went through the products and looked because I really do want to do unboxings, like to give you guys an update and saying, okay, I've tried this and this is how this works, just so you guys know. And I got the London Town Cuticle Cream, and I have no idea how to use it. No instructions. It did come in a box, but it didn't have anything on the box. I don't know how to use this thing. I know that this looks like a pen, kind of. I don't know. If you guys have used it before, please let me know. So this was one of the items. Then I got the Kate Spade earrings, which I think are beautiful. I really do like them. Of course, they are not real. They're like gold plated. And they came with this little pouch as well. The only thing I'm concerned with is that after I have earrings that are gold plated on for a few hours, my ears begin to get itchy, but I haven't had these on long enough. I've only had them on for an hour or two. So far so good and no issues. Okay, moving on. Let me show you what else we've got. I am super excited about this. This is ceramic. It's made very, very well. There's no discrepancies or anything on it, and I noticed with Alltrue there was quite a few discrepancies on some of their things. This is actually the color of my kitchen now because it's been redone, so I'm very happy. This is going to go very well on my stove, so I'm excited about that. Then I got the slippers, and I did choose them because I needed a new pair. So, like, I don't like to get repeats in boxes, but I do like to get repeats if it's stuff that I use all the time, you know. This here, I happened to be looking for slippers, and then I had the choice to choose them, so I was like, all right. And they've got the rubber on the back, so this way it's kind of like a shoe, you know, it's not just a slipper. So that's kind of cool, and they're pretty grippy, so I don't have to worry about too much, but I do like them very much. Then, what else did I get? This here, the Winky Lux. It is a repeat. I actually got one in the last box that I had, the winter one I believe it was. It's just a really nice gloss with a really cool looking kind of bottle. It's nice and thick and it smells like vanilla. So I'm going to put that aside because it's a duplicate item. The most expensive product was this here. It's the L Space cooler, and I do like it. It has a little pocket in the front. It's actually made really, really well. The bag I got in Alltrue had all of these little threads hanging all over it, but this here, very, very well made. And then the last thing was a mask, and I actually used it last night, so okay, the last thing is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. It's really like a watery kind of gel mask, and it definitely hydrated me and I didn't break out. Super plus, because I was using other stuff and I had noticed I'd started breaking out, and it's really because of the consistency. If you're putting on a thick cream, chances are it's going to clog your pores, but I wanted to use up my skincare, so I started trying these different things and they weren't working. So now I put this on and then a serum after it, and I'm good to go at nighttime. So that's everything. So this here I will be using. I love it. This here I'll be putting on my shelf of repeats or things that I won't use. This here I still have to figure out how to use it. That is the cuticle cream. The earrings I am definitely going to get a lot of use out of, as well as the slippers. This is going to be on my stove by the end of the night, the spoon. And then this here, I rarely go to the beach, but I do take long car rides with my daughter because her appointments with specialists are over an hour, hour and a half away. So I will be using this for our drinks and our food. Okay, that's everything that I got in the Fabfitfun box. Let me know if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and thank you so very much for watching this video. Guys, I've got spoilers coming out from surveys for the Fabfitfun Summer 2022, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button, say hello to me down in the comments, and I look forward to getting to know you. Alright guys, I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye!